Hi. The rainy days have begun in Bangalore and I have a perfect rainy day story. Do you like the rains? Yeah? Then you will like this story too. This storytelling is based on the book Rain, which has been written by Sanjiv Jaiswal Sanjay, illustrated by Ajit Narayan, and this book has been published by Pratham Books. You'll find the story on the Storyweaver platform. Rain. A cloud rolled by merrily in the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. A peacock looked at the cloud and asked, "Why don't you rain? I will dance for you." The cloud smiled away and rolled by. Whoosh, whoosh. Are you doing this with me? A fish in the pond asked the cloud, "Why don't you rain for me? I need more water in the pond." Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. The cloud rolled by. The farmer wiped his sweat from his forehead, looked at the cloud and asked, "Why don't you rain for me? I will sow some seeds. I can grow some plants." The cloud rolled by, smiling. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. The little boy Raju looked at the cloud and asked, "Why don't you rain for me? I would love to play with paper boats." The cloud smiled and down it sent its showers. Are you doing this with me? The rain sound? It rained and rained and rained. The peacock danced. Peacock was very happy. The fish was very happy. It swam in the water. And then the little boy and his friends, they jumped. Splish, splash, splish, splash. In all the muddy puddles. The farmer was also very happy. He'll have better crops, a better yield. Everyone was happy. The cloud had filled everyone's heart with joy and happiness, and it continued to roll by. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. And the children said goodbye to the clouds. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, cloud. Bye-bye, clouds. Bye. Bye.